Hello, everyone. These days, I'm making food and serving it in Korean and English. The weather suddenly got colder. I went outside today, and my hands were frozen. I hope you are careful not to catch a cold and take good care of your health. Today, I made the food I wanted to eat. The weather was cold, so I tried to eat warm soup. But I also wanted to eat jollof, so I made a dish that combined the two. I went out and bought garlic. The price is 2,500 won. Garlic is an essential ingredient in Korean food. And I bought kodali. Kodali is frozen. There are 4 kodali. The price for 4 kodali is 8,900 won. I'm going to make a spicy stew that can be eaten with warm soup using kodali. I cut the radish into large pieces. It's half-moon shaped. When making stews, radishes are cut into large pieces. When I made spicy stew today, I just cut it into large pieces. I'm going to put the radish first. I added 900 milliliters of water. When making jollof, just add half the water. Jollof and 매일새로운시작 have similar ingredients. I added 3 spoons each of soup soy sauce and dark soy sauce. When making jollof, you can use dark soy sauce or soup soy sauce. You can adjust it to your taste. I'm going to make the soup first. I added onions and carrots. You can add whatever vegetables you have at home. I just added carrots because I had them. You don't have to put it in. The 매일새로운시작 will make it a little spicy. I added gochu. Gochu I still had leftovers from what I bought, so I put them all in. It's not very spicy. I added 2 spoons of masala. To slightly reduce the smell of fish, you can add masala, but you can also add malim, chonju, or soju. If you don't have it all, it's okay not to include it. I added chopped garlic. You can also add ginger. After boiling the soup, I will add the kodali. Once the water has boiled to some extent, I will add red pepper powder. The red pepper powder we have at home is not very spicy. If the red pepper powder is spicy, if you add a lot, it will be too spicy. Because it is a sweet 매일새로운시작, I will add sugar. If you don't want it to be sweet, you don't have to add sugar. I also added 2 tablespoons of oligosaccharide. Adding oligosaccharides makes it shiny. When making jollof, I don't add red pepper paste. Since I like sweet 매일새로운시작, I added a little less than a spoonful of gochujang. I'm going to add all 4 nose bridges. I ate all 4 by myself. I didn't eat it all at once. Since I ate rice and soup, I didn't need any other side dishes. Usually, when boiling 매일새로운시작, sugar and oligosaccharides are not added. I made this today because I wanted to eat something sweet. I'm going to add pepper. When I added red pepper powder and tasted the seasoning, it was really spicy. After boiling it all, it wasn't that spicy when I ate it. I'm going to add green onions and boil it. The difference from stewing is that gochujang is not added and less water is added. The two are similar, right? After boiling for a bit, I'll take out the foam on top. Kodali is often eaten as jollof, but 매일새로운시작 is a bit unfamiliar, right? I made this to make soup because it was cold, but kodali tastes better when eaten as jollof. If there is little water when making jollof, you can add a little sesame oil to prevent it from burning. Then, when making jollof, if you add sesame oil and sesame salt, the taste and aroma will be good. When the nose bridge is frozen, it may be bland because it is not seasoned. After washing the nose bridge in water, sprinkle a little salt to taste. You can add gochujang and soy sauce to your taste. When it's almost completely boiled, check the seasoning, and if you think it's lacking something, add the taste of your hometown, and it will taste even better. Seasoning is not required but optional, so add it to suit your taste. I had a bowl of rice in the warm soup. I am healthy because I eat well. Everyone, eat well and stay strong. I told you in English, now I'll tell you in Korean. I hope you can hear Korean well.